So welcome students. I would like to start with by giving an introduction to data science. So data science has a lot of importance and prominence in today's age. And we start by looking at why data science has become so important. Over the last 20, 30 years, particularly from the 1970s to the 2000s, and even now in some countries, we see a lot of the processes moving from physical to the online format. So if I take an example, there will be a bank which will maintain all their records in physical format, and they would have moved all their transactions to online format. So the transaction would happen online. If you think of a retail store, the retail store previously, you would go to a retail store, you would get a physical bill, handwritten physical bill, and the shopkeeper or the retailer will maintain the records on their register. That has now become online. When you go to a retail store, you actually the retailer scans the items and provides a bill to you about which are the items that you have brought and what are the prices for those items. So this sort of transformation has happened in almost every section of our life, and the businesses on the day-to-day interaction that we are having on different things have moved from physical to the online world. So what has happened due to that is that so today we see a lot of data being generated every minute and every moment. If you consider even the social media, you will see like every day about 500 million tweets are made every day. There are about 294 billion emails that are being sent on a daily basis. If you consider the Facebook post, the amount of data that is being generated by Facebook post, every day there is about 350 million photos across the world that has been uploaded, about 100 million hours of videos that is being generated on a daily basis. We also see a large number of people using emails, about say 3.5 to 4 billion people using emails on a daily basis. So this all creates huge volumes of data. Then there are other websites also, like Instagram. We see 95 million photos and videos being shared on Instagram. We see about 65 billion messages being delivered over WhatsApp. If you then look into the next phase where you see wearable devices like smartwatch, connected cars and stuff, we see about 28 petabyte of data being generated on a daily basis. Google search is something that very important. We see a large number of Google search being done every day. About 5 billion searches are made on Google every day. So a huge volume of data has been accumulated on a daily basis. So as a result of this digitization journey, what we see is that supply chains have moved from physical format to online format. The enterprise resource planning or the ERP systems have moved from physical format to online format. Record management of record, management of stocks of a company has moved from physical to online format. So all this that has happened over the years, many transactions that has happened in digital format has actually created huge volumes of data in digital format. And these huge volumes of data is now lying with companies, and they are utilized, and they are in a good position to utilize this data. And that is where companies are now seeing that they are sitting on huge volumes of data, and how can they utilize this data now for creating interesting analysis and getting some business benefits out of it. And that is where data science and data analytics comes in. Data science and data analytics is the field that helps you in analyzing and coming up with insights from huge volumes of data that has been there. So some of the things that comes in data science are things like data visualization, data prediction or data mining. Then there is artificial intelligence, there is optimization, there is real-time analytics, there is actionable insights. A large number of areas that we see are evolving in the field of data science. And all this is possible because we are sitting on huge volumes of data.